Hello, money and minimalism readers. Welcome back. Creating a budget is crucial for achieving financial stability and reaching your financial goals. This video will guide you through a step-by-step process to help you manage your money effectively and make informed financial decisions. But before, don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel, as we want to help you and others on their financial journey. Understanding why you need a budget is the first step. Knowing your motivations helps you stay committed. Whether it's saving for a vacation, paying off debt, or building an emergency fund, having a clear purpose keeps you focused and accountable. To build a budget, you need to gather all sources of income and expenses. This includes your salary, freelance work, rent, utilities, groceries, and entertainment. Having a comprehensive list ensures you don't overlook any financial obligations. Categorizing expenses into fixed and variable categories provides clarity. Fixed expenses are consistent monthly costs like rent and utilities, while variable expenses fluctuate, such as groceries and entertainment. This distinction helps you allocate funds more accurately and manage your finances better. Estimate your monthly income by considering all reliable sources, including your salary, freelance work, and side gigs. This will help you understand your financial capacity and set a realistic framework for your budget. Allocate funds for fixed expenses such as rent, utilities, and insurance. Prioritize these essential costs to ensure your basic needs are covered. Knowing these amounts helps in planning the rest of your budget effectively. Budget for variable expenses like groceries, entertainment, and dining out. These costs can fluctuate monthly, so allocate a reasonable amount based on past spending patterns. This flexibility allows you to adjust as needed without overspending. Explain the importance of an emergency fund for unexpected expenses like medical bills or car repairs. Saving for these situations helps prevent financial stress and keeps your budget intact even during unforeseen events. Regularly check and modify your budget to reflect changes in income or expenses. This ongoing review ensures that your budget remains relevant and effective. Adjusting as necessary helps maintain financial stability and achieve your goals. Budgeting tools and apps can simplify the process and provide valuable insights. Popular choices include Mint, Inab, and EveryDollar. These tools help track spending, categorize expenses, set financial goals, and stay organized, making budgeting more manageable. Avoid common budgeting mistakes like underestimating expenses, neglecting an emergency fund, or failing to track spending. Awareness of these pitfalls can help you create a more accurate and sustainable budget, ensuring you achieve your financial objectives. Maintaining budgeting discipline can be challenging. Set realistic goals, automate savings, and regularly review your progress. Celebrating small milestones can also keep you motivated and focused on sticking to your budget over the long term. Budgets should be flexible to accommodate life's changes. Unexpected events like medical emergencies or job loss can disrupt financial plans. Adjusting your budget ensures it remains realistic, helping you stay on track despite life's unpredictabilities and maintaining financial stability. Addressing debt is crucial for financial health. Incorporate debt repayment into your budget by prioritizing high-interest debts first. Allocate a fixed amount monthly to reduce your debt burden progressively. This approach can alleviate stress and enhance financial security. Finding ways to save within a budget can be rewarding. Look for discounts, cook at home, and limit impulse purchases. Small changes add up, allowing you to save more without sacrificing quality of life. Smart saving boosts your financial resilience. Challenge yourself to start budgeting this week. Take the first steps by evaluating your income and expenses. Set achievable goals and track your progress. Engaging in this practice can transform your financial outlook, empowering you to make informed decisions. Recapping the 10 steps reinforces the budgeting process and makes it more memorable. Share your progress in the comment below, and thank you for watching. See you in 2 days for our next video.